AstraZeneca has also been a great community partner here for the state through recent contributions to Christiana Care and Nemours Hospital. Those were some big contributions. And through their ongoing support of healthy Delawareans today and tomorrow, which has helped over 13,000 Delawareans gain access to free or low-cost health care services. So Rich, thank you again for joining us today and your ongoing support in Delaware.
Thank you, Bob, and for that introduction and for all that you personally do as part of the Delaware Bioscience Association. You know, we're very proud of our association with your organization, with you and your organization. And I also want to recognize Majority Leader, one of our scientists who is here today, Chris Yoakum, who is one of the founding members and is the chairman of the board of Delaware Bio. Majority Leader Gephardt, thank you for your leadership and your willingness to travel across the country. When we were talking before, I asked him what he did, and he said he traveled. But to shine a bright light on this important report and the goals of CAMI, and I now have a new way to introduce myself. I'm the CEO of the Valley of Death, which I kind of like the way that sounds. But seriously, as you rightly noted, one of the keys to fulfilling our mission as a company is to develop life-changing medicines, is an economic environment that fosters innovation and job growth. And the recommendations in the report represent a major step forward in ensuring that our industry, and the entire United States for that matter, remains at the forefront of medical innovation, not just today, but for generations to come. Now, as the leader of a business in Delaware, I want everyone to know that the biosciences industry has a vocal and important ally in Governor Markell. Now, I've spent a fair amount of time with Governor Markell lately. Usually we have a big cardboard check that I'm handing to the governor. And he says he's happy to see me under those circumstances. But one thing, in all seriousness, that remains clear is that no matter, when we have our time before or after an event together, the one thing that's clear is that his driving focus is about jobs in Delaware. And he's constantly asking, whatever event we're at, how does this help working families in Delaware? And it's great to run a business in a state with a governor who does get it. I totally agree that the governor gets it, and we value the relationship that we have with him, and that we know that we work in a state that appreciates that business and government and labor, that we're all aligned to the same goals. And finally, Sam, thank you for being a strong partner with our company and with our industry. As others have noted, a strong biosciences industry does not just mean more biopharmaceutical jobs. It means more opportunity throughout the economy, from construction to family businesses to retail to all the other associated industries. Now, while others have spoken about this very important report and the economic implications for Delaware, I would like to take a moment to talk about the legacy of innovation in Delaware itself, a legacy that this report seeks to preserve and to protect and to enhance. DuPont has delivered, and I have to say this is probably true in your house too, the coverings for basically everything that's in my house. And it came from right down the street at the experimental station here in Delaware. And just this spring, the University of Delaware researchers developed a new method for producing proteins critical to research on cancer and Alzheimer's and other diseases. And of course, closer to my heart, the antipsychotic Seroquel, a medicine that has helped millions of patients around the world, was discovered at AstraZeneca's Wilmington labs just a moment from here. A thriving commitment to the life sciences is among one of Delaware's greatest distinctions. The direct and indirect impacts of the industry generate $3 billion in gross state product, and despite its size, Delaware ranks 20th over the past 5 years in the number of biopharmaceutical patents granted. Maybe not as much as Israel, but we're getting close. And our partners in the state are supporting and extending this legacy of innovation. For example, Christiana Care, in addition to the remarkable care they provide to our families and to my employees, is a valuable partner of mine in conducting clinical trials as we seek to bring life-changing medicines to the market, or as you said, to the bedside. These and other examples demonstrate why AstraZeneca is strongly committed to working with our partners whose mission and interests align with our own, to bring innovative medicines to patients. We believe common good is best served when companies, healthcare providers, not-for-profits, and other interested parties connect to address health issues. I truly believe that when we work together with organizations that are committed to improving patient health, only then can real progress be made. Just as importantly, to deliver against this commitment, we need a business environment that nurtures innovation, and that is why we support the important work led by Cami. Thank you very much.